Namaste. My name is Aparna. I'm a certified life coach and a trainer. I'm from Chennai, and I'm on a mission to help teachers and trainers around the world become a better version of themselves with the help of digital tools. And today I'm here to share with you Mind Map. Now, X Mind Map has been a part of my life for a very long time. I would rather say since November 2022. I started using mind map, and my way of thinking has completely changed. And now I don't want to do anything else but play on mind map and work with my mind on mind maps. So mind map plays a vital role. It gives you a clarity of thought. It makes you understand how to go about planning things and implementing things and focusing on what you want and focusing on what not focusing on what you don't want. So it will give you a clarity if you work with mind map. So I'm here to tell you about how mind map works, and I'm going to show you a demonstration of how beautifully you can design your own mind map. So let us begin. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. The first thing you need to do is go to a website. I have a website listed out here. So if you see, this is the website link, that is xmind.app.down backslash download slash. So I will share this in the description of my video, where you can see the way it is done, how you can download it. So there are two ways of using mind map. One is on your mobile, and the other one you can do it on your laptop or your computer. My suggestion to you is use it on your laptop or computer, because the more bigger screen you see, the more beautifully you can connect with your thoughts, connect with the topics that you're going to connect on the mind map. So this is just the screen that I will later show you, but before that I will just tell you, on a mobile, when you're doing it, you can go to an app store. In the app store, type X Mind Map and sorry, X Mind. If you type that, you will get a screen like this. I will just show the screen and show you. If you see in the top bottom here, there is an X screen, right? This is what you will show. I will take you to Play Store probably, and I will show you. So if this is Google Play Store, or if you're going for Microsoft Play Store, any store you go, based on which system you're using. If you're using iPad, or if you're using Mac, or you're using Windows, so you will have a store, right? So just go and click X Mine. So I'm just going here and clicking X Mine. So here is X Mine. And in the X Mine, you will have to search for a logo that looks like this, right? And it's a free version. You will get this free version in any of your systems. So do not go in for a paid version. This free version works really nicely. So click on free, and it will start downloading, right? So you can just go ahead and click on the download, and it's already installed in mine, so it's showing installed. Once you have got it on your mobile or on your laptop, it may ask you to log in. So when logging in, you can use your Gmail ID, or you can create a new one based on your convenience. Also, when you are opening the mind map, the X Mind on your laptop or computer, there may come a screen which will open the window of your browser rather than getting the downloaded version of the mind map app. So you have to be careful. If it is opening another window in your own web page, then that means you're yet to download. So probably you'll have to search for a download button, click on the download, scroll a little down, just half an inch or 1 inch down, and you will see that there is a download button that says for download for Windows, download for Mac. So based on your system, you download that. And once the file is downloaded, just follow the process to go into the installation of the app. And once you have installed it, you can either pin it on your low toolbar, or you can keep it in the apps itself, and you can open it whenever you need it. So that's how it's going to be. Again, I'll share my screen and show you how it will look like once you open it. So once you've clicked on your app, once you've clicked on the icon of mind map, X mind map, it will open. Now this is the second page I'm open, so it may show untitled 2, but it has to be untitled 1. So if I can just show you, like, if you can want to go to a new tab probably. So this is a new tab I've opened. So it's a very new screen, and it will again show by default like this. So if you see here on the top, here, top right, untitled 2 and untitled 2 here. So you can decide on working one of them, or you can work as many as you like. Okay. I generally like to have one file. With one file, I will have small files within that file. So that's how I try to do it. You can do it as per your convenience. Now, if you look at the three dots here, the three bars, the lines that you see on the left-hand side, you will notice that if you click on that, there are few options available. You can undo, you can redo, you can open a new one, you can open existing one which you have already saved. Then you can save as, then you can export this entire mind map. Now we have to be careful in mind map. You can only do PNG and you can do PDF if you're going to export this mind map. And that also, it will not give you an entire open picture. It will just show you the parts of it, right? Then we can either print it out if you're looking for printing it out, and then you can, save the file. A new template can be created. So these are some of the options. We'll go into details a little later, and you can explore also for yourself, right? Now, you can also share. Okay, you can share mind map if you want. You can share it in your Gmail, or you can share it through, you have to, just log in here and then do it. I have not logged in right now. Yeah. So coming to this mind map, if you see, this is what we talked about, then we can also name it. So you can just go ahead and first save it if you want, or you can save as, and you can save it as, I have lots of other mind maps. So I will just say practice or teaching. I'll just put teaching and I will save it. So it becomes teaching now. And you have your subtopics, like, topic, subtopic, relationship, then summary, then boundary, then marker, then insert, then Zen, pitch, format. All these things are there. And then in the right-hand side, you will have style, pitch, and map. You have to focus on map. Now, map, why do I say, is because if you look at map, you will see this is the mind map that is right now here open. If you click on this, it will give you options of various kinds of mind maps. Now, we don't need this like the spider web kind of, we need something simpler that will give us a little more clarity. Now, based on your understanding, you can choose one of the logic maps. Now, these logic maps look like this, right? So you can either choose the second one, the first one looks like this, the third one looks like this. Any of these three you can choose when you are a beginner. As in when you start growing further, depending on your choice, you can choose any of the other from the logic chart, or maybe from the other maps that they have. So they have brace map. They also have a mind map. Then they have the fishbone map, and then the tree table and the matrix and so on, right? So let's not get into that. So coming back to this one, what you do is you click on the central topic once. Once you click here, you can start typing, you can start typing. If you see I'm typing, right? So you can just say teaching trainers, probably. Okay, I'll just put that. Now, in teaching trainers, what are the things that I'm going to teach? For example, you have health. So you can write health, or you can write, maybe you are a relationship manager. So you can write relationships, or you can write any other topic that is your niche. Once you have done that, what are the main topics that you're going to cover under your topic? So as a trainer, I think that these are the important things. First is the content. Second is probably the presentation. So now, one important thing, so one important thing to notice here is that we need to, if we mark it as number 1, number 2, number 3, it becomes a little easy, right? So I will say, for example, I will just do this because I did not do it there. I'm going to keep it here, and then I'm going to connect the content here. Yeah, same goes for presentation. So if you're looking to add more numbers from after 2, just click enter. It will give you 3. Then enter once again, and it will give you 4. So twice enter, and it will give you new main topic, right? So you can do 5, yeah, like this. Now, when it comes to this, if you want to extend this to another topic here, then what you can do is, we have already done here 1 and 2 also we have done. Let's do 3. So for 3, say for example, I'm going to write digital tools, say for example, right? Then 4, say for example, I'm here going to write probably sheets or Google Sheets, or maybe I'll just write evaluation sheets. And I'm going to write here, say for example, administration skills. Okay, just like that. Okay. So now when you're writing, when you've written this, you can minimize this with the help of this minimize button. You see, this is minimizing the content. You can close all the tabs. So it looks very neat. When you're showing it to your audience, we'll just change this. Okay. I just go to map and I will change it to a little more discrete. I like this one. So I can keep it like this. Now in one, you have this. Now in the content, if you click on tab, it will open one more tab. If you're going to click on content and click enter, it will give you a second option. So enter is for new one and tab is to open the extended form of the topic that you want to click. You do it slowly. You can pause this video one step at a time and do it slowly. Yeah. I hope this video is making some sense to you and you are able to get a clarity on how to do a mind map. In case you have any doubt, look, please put it in the comments and probably I'll do a video on that to tell you more detailed about how to go about doing mind map. Thank you for listening to me. You have a lovely day and keep liking my videos and keep sharing your love to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.